we offer a thermal pack option. It used to be called the Arctic pack option, cold weather package for the pop-up fabric. This softer, breathable material is our thermal pack. It velcros in place, so it goes down each side, passenger side and driver side. At the top here, there's a Velcro strip that this attaches to. And at the bottom, along the wall, there's also a Velcro strip we install. Very easy to put in, very easy to take out. We Velcro it down each side. At the ends, we tuck them behind the panel. And what this fabric does is it's just creating an air barrier, almost like a dual pane window. It's trapping the moisture and keeping the heat and cold from coming back and forth between the outside vinyl pop-up portion and the inside thermal pack. You still have window cutouts, so during the day when it's hot, if you want fresh air, you can open up your windows. This can just be Velcroed over the top of that. That's full opening. And then at night, if you get wind, but you want some more protection, you can close your windows. If it's snowing outside and you want the most protection, put your thermal pack up as well. For our bungee cords, when we lower the top, we have a bungee cord that stretches from here across the other side in the front and the back. That will pull all of your soft side fabric inside as you're bringing the top down. So this is our thermal pack option. It's available at any time, whether you buy this now with a new order, or if you want to add this to an existing camper. All the way back to about 2002, the campers are pre-Velcro. 2002 and newer will have a Velcro strip up here. Makes it easy to order and then install a thermal pack on your own later. If you're doing a lot of hot weather camping, it works well for that. And if you're doing snow camping, it works great for that too.